All right, guys, we're gonna give the startup for you. Hit it. Hey guys, Tristan here. Today I got my 2018 Ford Raptor. It's got the stock exhaust on it. I bought the BORLA ATAK. We're gonna swap those two out and see how the BORLA ATAK exhaust sounds. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we are now inside the cab. Let's hear the exhaust just with a couple revs first. Okay, so you can't really hear the exhaust even from in the cab. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up, guys, but let's do an acceleration now. So maybe you can hear it then with the stock Raptor exhaust. So here we go. Yeah guys, so that wasn't too loud. So let's get this BORLA ATAK exhaust installed, guys, and see how it sounds after. So let's get it. All right guys, we got the Raptor up on the lift. We're gonna take off the stock exhaust, throw on the BORLA ATAK. I'm gonna save you some time. Pretty much what you guys gotta do real quick is take out these bolts all the way back to here. You're gonna keep your stock pipes unless you bought some aftermarket end pipes. But I'll get back to you guys when we get the stock exhaust off and we'll start installing this bad boy. All right guys, so we're getting there, but I thought I'd show you this. The lift's not big enough and we're not getting some good light here. The camera's not picking it up. Right from this end. The tire is half off on the front. So yeah, we're getting there though. All right guys, so we got to improvise here. This is like welded on from the heat, so we're cutting it because I'm throwing out the stock exhaust anyway. So let's get it.
See through?
We need another one. So sketch, dude. I only have to cut one side, I think. Right? I think so. I don't need to cut two portions.
Yeah.
You can just edit that part out.
Yeah, we can edit here.
Part 2. Screw editing. There we go.
And we're through.
All right, guys.
Because I have no leverage.
Another little fun one here. I'll give her some beans.
It's moving.
Is it moving?
We got like a half an inch.
About half an inch?
Where the water spot is where it started.
Like rusting up
okay,
there.
quarter inch.
Ready? So, we're getting
Oh, God! I got a death grip on this thing.
So scary.
Yeah, we're getting there. All right guys, so we got the old exhaust off. We're gonna throw in the ATAK now. We gotta take off the right side exhaust tailpipe. Left that side on. And she's completely empty, obviously. So we're gonna bring the new system over and install it up, and then we'll get back to you. Let's get it, boys. All right guys, we just finished putting everything on. It took a little bit wiggling everything into place. You guys might have to take off your exhaust ends to fit them in to this part right here. Otherwise, it could be a pain in the butt. But yeah guys, she is fully installed right now. We'll lower the truck and we'll get some sound videos out for you guys, so stay tuned. All right guys, we're gonna give the start up for you. Hit it. Just off the start, guys. I don't know if the video picks it up, but I hope it does. Definitely a lot louder at idle than stock. Ryan, give us some revs.
That's gnarly.
Guys, it's a lot louder. It sounds amazing. We'll have them do a drive-by here, just so you guys can get it on how it sounds going by. That's loud. That sounds so good. Well, Ryan, what do you think?
I know where our next paycheck's going.
All right, guys, there you have it. 2018 Raptor with the BORLA ATAK exhaust. Hope you liked the video and stay tuned for more mods.